Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry it's been quite a long time since the last video. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Just a quick catch. I've not been in here for quite a few months now, but I'm back in. Did everything with good water. As you can see, a lot of dead and dying plants here. But hopefully some of these will come back. Sweet peas are still looking not too bad. But this is my really sad state of affairs here. Pineapple something there. I think there's some whitefly in there, so I shall give those a spray probably Monday when I go to town and get some bug killer. But the reason I'm doing this is I've just received a delivery which I'm over the moon about from Thompson & Morgan. This is 2 lots of Petunia. I think there's yellow and midnight sky or something. I don't know what the other one's called. But yeah, I'll just show you these, how they come. Plug plants. I always put them up into these 9cm plastic pots, which I got second hand off, I think, eBay it was. I think they were 4 or 5 pence a piece, and I've had these several years now. So as long as you keep them inside, don't let the frost get to them, or the sun make them too brittle, they do last several years. So I've got some compost here, nice and damp. So we'll get these open first. So I shall just show you what these are like. See what these are like. These are, let's have a read here. These are night sky, these. So really healthy plug plants. They arrived yesterday, so as soon as they arrived, I took them out. Just put a little bit of water in there. As soon as you do that, they come back. They look absolutely amazing. Night sky, and the other one's yellow. So we shall get the other ones out. I'll make a tag for these first, and then we'll get them potted on, folks. Yeah, just gonna tag for that night sky hello yellow, which rhymes, which is great. So yeah, I'll get these potted up now, and then I'll leave them in this tray overnight, and then I'll probably move this off here and put them onto the heat mat, which will really help them. So yeah, just get these sorted out first. I've just got this in here now, so all we need to do now is get this sorted like so. Just right, I think. Yeah, like I said, these 9cm pots. This is just some leftover compost. I had half a bag left. Well, I want to go and help. There's not too many creepy crawlers in here. So yeah, you want to get them to the same level. You can use cocoa coir for this, really good. You can also put some like gel pellets in there if you're going to put them in baskets, and that just helps with the moisture retention. That's for the spring and summer, that if you're going to put them in pots. Yeah, just make sure it's nice and crumpled up, nice and fine. These are the yellow ones first. I'll get them in the middle. Like I said, as soon as these arrive, if you're not going to put them on, well, even if you're going to put them on, please just take them out of the wrap, out of the paper envelope. Put a tiny bit of water in each one, and that just helps them. So if they've been a couple of days or stuck over in the post over the weekend, it just helps revive them and stops any damage from them being dehydrated and drying out. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm not posting any videos, but my mum's been diagnosed with dementia and Alzheimer's, so I've had a lot of appointments to attend with her, and also to be back in, so I'm only just getting back into it. I'm glad these are arrived. Really cheer me up and got me back into the swing of things again. So yeah, I've just got a couple more to do. Right, that's all those done. All I'm going to do now is I've got a little bit of Miracle Grow in here. Just going to give them a nice soak and then leave them here overnight. I'll just put a lid on them. Just going to get a lid, probably get a lid. And they're the yellow ones, which I've not grown before, so I'm really looking forward to seeing these grow. Hello, yellow. So yeah, that will just really bring them back nicely, that. And here's the lid. That will just protect everything overnight. The job's a good one. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything on my channel, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, say hi Monkey, hi Paul. And these were from Thompson and Morgan, these. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.